Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the KETIAN Smart Toaster, a high-tech kitchen appliance that promises to toast your bread to perfection. This toaster boasts several impressive features. First, it comes with a 7-inch touchscreen display, making it easy to choose from 7 browning levels and pre-programmed toast settings for 7 different bread types, like bagels, waffles, and English muffins. No more burnt toast or undercooked centers. Additionally, the 1400-watt heating system ensures fast and even toasting, while the single-slot function allows you to toast just one slice without affecting the other side. But what truly sets this toaster apart is its have a quick look function. This allows you to peek mid-cycle to check on your bread's progress and decide if it needs more time or is already perfectly golden brown. Plus, the automatic lifting mechanism eliminates the need for levers and reduces wear and tear on the machine. Overall, the KETIAN Smart Toaster seems like a great option for anyone who wants a user-friendly and versatile toaster that delivers consistent, delicious results. However, it's important to note that it might be a bit on the pricier side compared to traditional toasters. So, if you're looking for a more basic and budget-friendly option, this might not be the best fit for you.